Pass auf. Why astaka? I ordered something here, something you can drive there.
Yeah, oh, what am I YouTube out here? Re busy re lugisha so. Yeah. Or check up on YouTube. Hey, I start good Good day, everyone. How are you? Welcome to our vlog. As it was raining early in the morning, trying to explain what we wanna try and do. Yeah, this is the cut that we'll be doing this coming episodes. So it's a W202 Mercedes-Benz C240. So it's a V6. Not too bad, 99 model. They stole my badge. Wow. Yeah. People. But it's fine. We still continue. Ignore the haters and so this is a 17-inch rim that I just wanted to see how it looks. We're not gonna be using this one for now. There'll be a rim that I'll be installing. This is the baby Picasso. This is my second car, basically. I bought it from my mom. There was the self-made. I'll show you the self-made when I go to Polokwane. It's red in color. So basically, this is my second car. When I was schooling back in 2013, when I was still in, tertiary level. I was schooling then PTA. My mom actually gave me this car. And then when I was started working, I bought it from her. So we did the repaint. Actually, this car has, I think, 3 sets of rims. The other ones are in Polokwane. So yeah, we are also revamping it. It just needs tires and then a couple of washes, and then I think it will be back on the road. Just needs licensing as well, and then we are good to go. The C240, it also needs licensing. I'm waiting for the papers. It was a struggle to get them, but yeah, we're almost there. Just needs a couple of things: the mirror, service, battery. Now they stole this thing, but it's fine. This one has been attending a lot of events, as you can see. It has went to German versus Jab. I think, when was it? It doesn't show the date. 2023. So yeah, it's been attending Campfest, German versus Jab. Even some smaller shows in PTA. But yeah, just check us. I think tomorrow I'm buying the battery, I'm buying the service kit, and then we're gonna be installing it. Also, the licensing has been done, but it's Limpopo registered, so I have to change it to Johannesburg. I was thinking a couple of months, drive it with the Limpopo plate and then change it again, but nah, we're going Josie all the way. So subscribe, like, comment, and tell us what you want to see on the channel. There are other builds that are coming. Just stay tuned. We love you. Salute. I will see you tomorrow when I buy the parts. Hi everyone. I forgot to shoot. I'm at Goldwagen. Just bought the parts now. So yeah, we are ready. As you can see behind me, I'm at Goldwagen with Ren. So yeah, got got the parts. We're gonna be installing them soon. So check us out. Salute. As you can see, we are doing this thing, guys. We are doing this thing. So just follow, subscribe, tell your friends we are here. Thanks. Hi everyone, how are you? We are back here. We're gonna be starting with the Mercedes service. I forgot my tripod, so I thought I'll be showing you everything. So I can't put the camera properly, but managed to get everything. I'm gonna put back these tires back here. Going OEM. So here's my tool sets, oil, and the goodies that's supposed to go inside. So we got, let's go through everything. So it's the filter, it's the air filter, petrol filter. This should be the oil cooler. And what's this? Oil filter. This should be the aircon filter, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, air filter. Air filter, aircon filter. This one is the aircon filter. So we've got everything, and then we're gonna be starting. And a new baby. It's better to start it first, and then see afterwards. So let me change the wheels, and then I think I'll start it afterwards. Why don't you wanna open? I got the front wheel jacked up, almost there. So yeah, still on it. One tire out. Yeah, at least it's not hot today, so we are fine. It's a good weather to work. Done changing the wheels. So now I want to start it a bit, and then afterwards I'll do the service, because like I said, it's been 3 years since I've started the car, so I really have to see before I fiddle around with anything, to just see that we're starting fine, and then I'll be able to construct. Sign I'm seeing hazards. So let's start. Starting. There's a knocking sound, but
On our way to PTA, Capital Park. So managed to fix a bit of things, but it was raining bad yesterday, so I couldn't film anything. So yeah, Macman, here we coming. Yeah, static BENZ loading. It was a difficult one, but yeah, we're finally here. I think we need some spotlights. We can't leave it like this, but yeah. As we are heading to PTA. We came to withdraw money for towing. You know you can't have nice things if you can't pay. So you have to take out some money. So we are in, what is it? Shell garage. I think one of the popular Shell garages in Midrand. Is it Star City? I'm not sure, but we are en route. The C240 will be a different beast, you know, once the engine is fixed and other things. Guys, if you want towing, they are here. They're based in Midrand and they're very reasonable. So, excellent. Salute. What your car is. For some energy there. Sure. Just October.
What's up? I ordered something here, something you can drive there.
Yeah, oh, what's on my YouTube out here? Re busy re lugisha, so yeah. Or check up on YouTube. Hey, I start a good reading. Yeah, you can come see. I start. W202. Mercedes-Benz 99. of you guys buy liquid, ultra liquid? Is it safe? Tell us on the comment section there. Is ultra liquid safe? Or you still buy checkers or tops? Do you have an ultra liquid story? Since there's alcohol poisoning in this fake alcohol industry. Here at Wilson Mall, we're about to transform the granny's car to the boy's car. So there's another one there, before and after. There's another one that has features. Came to buy the rim for the BENZ. I left my other camera. So it's a whole lot happening. But you go for this. I'd love to welcome everybody into this party. There's no party like deep. If you don't party deep, we don't feel you deep.
time, everybody into this party. Party, 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 party. Welcome to everybody. Party, 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 party. Welcome to everybody. Party, 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 party. Welcome to everybody.
Morning. Apologies, guys. I thought this series is gonna be easy. I'll be shooting everything from me fixing the car, me getting the rim, the install of the sound. But at least today I got time to shoot, so we're on our way to install sound. But yeah, I'll try and just mix match the videos that I took and see what content I can come up with. I've been having a lot of work. I couldn't edit and put out some work, but yeah, Pixie 626 is on. Please subscribe, guys. The channel card's almost 70% done, if I could say. We're just missing some few things. As you can see, we're on our way to install sound. So no more vintage look. Cassettes are good, but I feel like since Android just came through, convenience is also nice, you see. If you have an infotainment system where you can have Waze, YouTube, all those shenanigans, no English, but yeah, in the classic look. Because this is they say it's a mafia car because of that. I'll show you. been a journey. It's been, I wouldn't say a tough journey, because I've got my brothers who have me when I want things, and when I just want some time, they are there for me to just say that, yeah, do your thing, brother, do your thing. So thank you to everyone who supported the build, who supports me, because stunts is not for everyone to start with. So some people are saying that, why you know that car, why that name, why that tire. This is my preference. This is what I feel the channel content. My English buttons are depleting, but yeah, it's the car I've built it towards what we're portraying on the channel. So we had to have a channel car, so when we have to go to channel, we are on our way to Les man. There's some heavy sound that we bought here, so I wouldn't say heavy, but some would consider heavy. I feel like if you want to make a noise, in some instances it can make that noise. If I want to play quality, I can play quality. So yeah, some things, just do it once, and then man, you're over and done with it. So for those who don't know, we are in Midrand. But yeah, thanks for the support, guys. We love you. D48 is here for those who don't know. That's D48. Yeah, so we're not far from D48. So we are here. We are here, Baba. But it's fine. I'll show you how the car looks for those who are very patient. So hey, how's it? Number 8. Wabi. Yeah, Kirki. Anti-clockwise. And we are here. Hola. How's it? Easy? Ah, salute. Hey, where's the polo? Where's the polo? Oh, outside. Oh, yeah. Let me show you this polo, guys. It's just sick. But before I show you the polo, this is how the car looks. I need some drop. But yeah. Check out this polo. Fresh. Small detail. 230. Sound installed. Catches after the
How is it, BENZ? What happening?
I'm here at Wabi Sabi. They are cooking the BENZ. Yeah, do you have any?
Operating it.
Okay. So what are you doing there?
Here.
Yeah. Oh. Okay.
Full Android screen.
Yeah.
Gonna change the door speakers.
Okay.
We're gonna add a sub.
Yeah.
This is a sub. Come on, how much 15 inch.
Yeah. So the boys will be making noise.
Yeah, definitely.
Okay. Aye.
Wednesday.
We'll see it when it's cooked. The grandpa BENZ.
You're putting some sweat on the grandpa.
Yeah. So these are the amps. Yeah, you've got the 18,000 watts. This is gonna be powering our sub, and then there's the 6,000 watts. That's the mids and the teacher. And there's this boy here. There's a low pass frequency, strictly for low pass. And we have the mad scientist at his natural habitat, busy with wires. And this is his bike, the Ninja. So the mad scientist is a biker, and he has a nice Golf 5. We need to shoot the Golf 5. When are we shooting the Golf 5? Okay. Okay. Yeah. You're doing the table now. Hella, the last time I remember you bought a carbon fiber boot there. Okay. So carbon fiber boot, fenders. But you did something the carbon fiber before. The boot came after. Is it the bonnet? Yeah, the bonnet. Now there's the table. That thing is gonna be too light. Okay. Yeah, I trust you. Aye. No stress. We'll see you guys when we do the sound check. And there's the Corolla right there. This is the company, Wabi Sabi. Salute. Kinele mabox mona. Rira mid-range sound check. Time is not with us, but I thought we'll be doing the sub. But it's fine as long as there's no sound shading. We'll see you tomorrow. So we're playing my friend here, Patrao Ecstasy. Patrao, I'm playing your music here. Sound check with your sound. With the mad scientist here. The real sound check will come tomorrow, but it is what it is. It is what it is. This guy is called my box. He can even build caskets. So if you're feeling like dying, don't worry. He's got you. Designer caskets, boxes. He's your guy. But we'll see you tomorrow, guys. Let's see tomorrow. For today it's a wrap. At least the mid-ranges are pumping. And then we're moving. Get what? In terms of what? Oh, the sound of the engine.
How the guys managed to destroy it like that?
But you can see that car, the parts are not available. Oh, it's the driver. Day 10 installing sound with my box. We are here again at Wabi. I'm hoping it's the last day today, guys, because we've been here. My box, the Rolls Royce of sound. He takes 1,000 hours of his time to install sound. This guy, guys. But it's fine. They say you don't rush quality, but I hope today I will be banging. The box is drying up, and yeah, let's see. What are you saying? What is a lot? Hey man, it's the benefit of working with classics. There's a Kruger National Park involved. You bought kickers. The med scientist doing his thing. But it's all good. So my box, you were telling me about the magnet of this. You said it has. Okay. What is Bababu?
Okay.
What are you explaining, Woody?
I'll explain later. Right now, I'm hungry.
Oh, when you're hungry, you can't explain.
Yeah, tired.
Right.
And yeah, let me not say it.
Okay. So you're forever holding your peace.
Yeah.
Guys, he was telling me there's multiple magnets inside. So
Triple stack.
So as the guy is doing Ramadan, is fasting. But I saw him eating chicken, so I don't know if
Chicken was eating.
yeah.
Me? I don't know any chicken I eat.
But we are waiting for the sound check. That's what we came here for. We didn't come here to check if people are not eating or they are eating. When is this Ramadan finishing? Friday. So people will...
Saturday. Huh?
This guy is exposing our company secrets. Sound check. Here we go. How can I say? Box master. As you can see, this is the box master. He's at his natural habitat. Where there's wood, there's the box master. They should call him the Woodinator. Mr. Wood. Tiger Woods.
Ngisho kanjalo uzabe ngithenda njengabanye abantwana. Hey,
What are you putting?
yeah, condom.
Oh, is the ram.
The condom. Yona itlhoka
Protection. Oh, don't worry. There's AI things where we drop something and then don't worry. I have this other trick that I learned. Oh, okay. Let me pause because of these content creators are gonna take it. $9,000.
man. Nasukuka khona la.
Okay. Check. Are we playing? Are we playing? Guys.
Yeah, I wanna get. I want a man.
Now I want the bees. I want the money.
When you want the beans, yeah. Nino, what do you want? When you have no problems with.
Offline. What's the child? What do you think, guys? This one is a different one. Subaru, rally car. I like the color. They kept the original goldish color. Big spoiler. So they sent they're building a new one. They want lights, but it's quite dope. Would you buy it? Would you drive it? Which one would you do first? It's interesting. Back to sound. Low pass 101. The mad scientist at his natural habitat with the wires. As you can see, it's very dark in there, but he's got it. He's got it.
This is when you miss ESCOM, right?
Yes.
I've never.
Oh, for this one to just check how dark it
Tell
is.
Murubu you want to follow with his car. Yeah, that's what you're doing. Boss, can I drive?
But you try.
I tried.
If you want lights, guys, these are your guys. Wabi Sabi.
It's a steel bracket. That's why we complain, because if the seat were going to go down, we're going to work from inside the car.
The really ones.
Oh, do you have a lighter?
It's for the railies. to Elax. Gonna drop the BENZ. So yeah, just stay tuned and see what's up in stock. On my way to Captain Park. So I'll be having a car maybe on Friday. Today's a Monday, hopefully I'll finish it on Friday. So all the best to Ella. We are here. We are here. We are here. Let's see what they say inside.
This is the party of those who swim with the big sharks. The deep party. Mega BENZ,
outside. Yeah, the Mac. I saw you've done one before.
Yeah.
If you ain't going deep, go home right now.
The BENZ is here.
I'd love to welcome everybody to
BAGGED.
this party. Get down.
We're about to back the BENZ. So the header must be inside.
Welcome to everybody for listening to good music. Get down. Welcome to everybody. Welcome to everybody.
At the front. This one we see them most of the time at the show. You know the famous SS.
I need to see idea over.
Guys, you must come here and install
Saledi
SS.
Bugete.
Money. How's it? Salute. We have a similar one, but black.
I'd love to
We
welcome
have a similar
everybody
one.
to this party.
Yeah, but black in color.
There's no party like deep if you don't
Okay.
feel it deep. We don't feel you deep.
I'll show my brother there. So how much do you charge this? Okay. Is it double bill or triple?
I'd love to welcome everybody into this party.
Yo, it's a black one. Clean. Guys, if you want nice thing, Elax. Money, hustle. The engineer in everything that you want. See the bags. Yeah, so come through, guys. Come through. They've got nice prices. Look at this one. Guys, must come through. They've got everything. So this is the last time we'll see the Grandpa BENZ up. Living on here at Elax. So I trust everything will be done. Next time we'll see it, we'll be doing. So let's get it.